सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll read from first verse, second valli. His chanting was started late or what? Huh? Why? Huh? Nobody was there. Again it was second time. Okay. Please repeat after me. First chapter, second valli. अन्यच्छ्रेयो अन्यदुतैव प्रेयः ते उभे नानार्थे पुरुषुगं सिनीतः। तयोः श्रेय आददानस्य साधु भवति हीयते अर्थाद्य उप्रेयो वृणीते। Again, अन्यच्छ्रेयो अन्यदुतैव प्रेयः ते उभे नानार्थे पुरुषुगं सीनीतः। तयोः श्रेय आददानस्य साधु भवति हीयते अर्थाद्यौ प्रेयो वृणीते। हीयते अर्थाद्यौ प्रेयो वृणीते। We had seen that this second valli of the first chapter will have four aspects: glorification of the disciple, Guru, glorification of Guru, glorification of Vidya, and glorification of Moksha. So this is the first to 13th verses will be on this topic. Very beautiful portion is there, and let us see what is said here. So in the first mantra, Anyat Shreyaha Anyat Utaiva, there are two words introduced here. One is called Shreya, other is called Preyas. Very popular words, Shreyas and Preyas. Some people have name also, Shreyas. So what is the meaning of the Shreyas and Preyas? First I will just try to summarize it. After that we will go in each word. Both are actually convictions. Both are convictions. What convictions are there? Shreyas is a conviction that the situation people, there exists a situation, there exists a situation means configuration of certain combination of people, place, time, success. There is some existence of some situation which can give me that peace which I desire. It's a conviction. I have mentioned 5 points about what kind of joy I desire. One day I had mentioned, I hope you have not forgotten. 5 things were there. Remember that? Which one? Huh? all place, all time, no, all everybody, then which is closest to me, and last, huh? Last, fifth point, without any, mhm, without any action. More I only say. So, five things were there. We want this, and there is some person existing. He says, I think this is possible in a situation. I can have such a situation. If I marry, maybe I will get this situation. Or if I have lot of money, maybe I'll get this situation. Maybe if I go to some other country, South Africa, I can't get, I don't think so. But some other country, if I go to some good country, Netherlands, if I go, there is no land, it is called Netherlands. So there if I go, there is another name of Netherlands. What? Holland. It is hollow. So both meaning same. Netherland or hollow land. So it's a good country. Dutch, they are also called Dutch. Afrikaan, they came from there. So if I go there, I think I'll be these five things will be met. If I have a very nice kind of some car, some wife, some child, something, we should work for it. This conviction of having completeness in some situation which I don't have, but I will have sometime. If I work for that, I can have. This conviction is called prayas, not shreyas. Prayas. Majority belong to this only. This conviction is called prayas. Oh, yes. Prayas is a name of conviction of completeness or joy or restless, imaginary rest. I don't have, but I will have one day. Something exists. Maybe heaven is just, look, here it is not there. Heaven is there. In some heaven, if I go to heaven, therefore, earlier people were doing lot of yagya yagadi to go to heaven. Now they don't do, it's not like that. They don't have belief. Therefore, they don't do. Neither they have priest also who can perform such a yagya yagadi. So this conviction is called prayers. Don't forget that. And this is our common conviction. Therefore, we work, we study, and therefore we keep on striving also from one class to another class. We are slipping from one situation to another situation. And sometimes we hope, okay, today was not good, tomorrow will be good. What I lost today, tomorrow I will have that. I was not a good student, but I will be a good person if I work. Very nice company is there. In that company, I'm having good position now. So when a person gets appointment letter, he's so happy. He feels, see, this is what I desired. I got that appointment letter. You have to work and this is your salary. So you are very happy now. I got everything. So you distribute sweets, etc. You feel I got it. It is only when you go inside. There is nothing called perfect work. When you go inside, subordinates are there, boss are there, colleagues are there, timings are there, overwork is there. When you are into the system, after 1 year, 2 year, you discover too much of work is there. And this person I don't like. Who? Next to my seat. He does not work. All his work I am doing. It is his work actually. But I am doing his work. And he is watching match World Cup. This is the way. In the office, he should watch what? World Cup. He's saying match is very interesting. Australia was defeated yesterday with 36 runs, 34 runs. And he is enjoying life. And I'm suffering because of him. And my boss doesn't understand this problem. And after that, he takes my work, he takes and goes to the boss and says that I am doing it. Actually, I did the whole work. Hard work is mine. In the house also, I'm doing the same thing. And my cabin is also very small. I hardly fit into it. One day I went inside, but I couldn't come out. So but what happened when you got the appointment letter? What happened then? What was your picture about it and what you got it? And this is not only with that office. In any situation, you can't have completeness from all sides. There is nothing called very good marriage in all ways. Impossible. Only my wife is very good, only her parents are not good. My wife is gem of a person. Parents are not gem, they are germ. So there is nothing called completeness in situation. देखो ध्यान देना. You live. There is nothing called perfect house. As far as I know. That everybody is very happy in the house, everybody is very jolly, everybody is very understanding, everybody is excellent nature. There is no money problem in my family. All these things. Maybe persons are very good, but money problem can be there. I'm not saying. Maybe money problem is not there. Somebody is odd man out. He doesn't know how to talk. Somebody is very money minded in the house. Somebody is the one who is very good, but my Mausaji is very good, but Mausi is cranky kind of person. There is nothing called totally perfect situation. Even Swarg is not perfect because there also sometimes jealousy starts. And Indra is in trouble when he sees somebody, other person is coming in line. Those who are in power, they are highly insecure. And that is also for a short time. You understood the difference? So don't aim at something where I want a perfect office. This office I'm going to leave, I'm going to join another. Please note, in other office there will be some problem which you don't know. And please be prepared when you go anywhere. Well, no, I think we should stop the office. We should start business. Business conditions will be difficult. There are challenges. But we have a lot of money. You enter and you will know that. Grass is greener on the other side. You enter and you will know what challenges are there. One day good money, other day nothing is there. 4 day again good money is there. Then expenses are there. Then you have the people whom you applied. Who employ. They have to be paid salary whether money is coming or not. Different challenges are there. There is nothing called my situation can be perfect in all ways forever, which your demand is. Okay. So don't think very nice marriage will be there. Everybody's house, everybody will be okay. Children, husband, wife, in-laws, all this. No, that country is very good, very good. Johannesburg, there is good money, good opportunity. It is true. But there is spiritual life, religious life is very less. Same Johannesburg. Social life is also less because too much of traffic and too much of work is there. You have to start too early. That religious life that you have in Durban and family life that you have here is not there. No, bhai. They will tell those who have lived there. There's a big difference. Whole family lives here, Johannesburg. Okay, money is there, maybe salary is double, but something is not there. Well, but Durban is very slow. Slow is there, but here you can come and go, meet everybody. But you can't have that money and that opportunity and that multinational companies as is in Johannesburg. That is not here. But I want both. What? I want the good money also, family life also, social life also, spiritual life also. I want you also sometime, and everything I want. Not possible. No, is there no midway? No midway is only between Johannesburg and Durban. Okay, there is not. There is. It is called midway. No? Huh? So that is the only place you can go, have your coffee, tea, etc. You can use washroom. That's it. Nothing more you will get. There is nothing called everything you will get at every place. Don't expect something which is not existing at all. सोचना जरा सा. Group discussion is not for writing notes that you compensate the notes. What you missed, you write. Group discussion is for thinking on the same pattern. Oh, it's like that. It's like that. So when this person who had a conviction of prayers, spirituality is not meant for frustrated people. Frustrated, you understand? No, something I did not get. I am angry, but I can't express that anger. It's called frustration. Frustration is very long life. It continues. Anger is you can burst out and finish it after that. But frustration, you can't be angry. It is not for frustration. It is an understanding. It's a right perception of a situation. And this mistake, please don't do, that you will have best of everything at any place for a long time. Even if best of everything is there, you understand, it is just about to die. It is going to wither away. It is going to pass away now, if best is there. This conviction slowly starts getting shaken up. Which one? Which one? Prayers. How? Not because you did not get, because you started thinking rightly. Not because you did not get, but you started thinking rightly. In a proper perspective, you started thinking. And there is no possibility anybody can get the best of everything at all time, in all ways, from all people. Impossible, yaar. What are you talking? फालतू की बात कर रहा है. It's impossible. Then what shall I do? No, don't do anything. Relax. What you will do? Here you are coming to know how to understand this problem. Then can't I get that situation which I want? No. It is not made for it. Why? Because it is a product of Maya, and Maya itself is imperfect. And therefore, from imperfect, you don't expect perfection. Nobody's body is not perfect. All of you are sitting, everybody has some body problems. You can't say my body has no problem at all. I have no diseases at all. A cold you catch, headache you have. If you don't have headache, I'll give. Why you are saying it is not there? I don't see anybody. No, I have no problem. Are sneezing starts, cold starts. Just now you recovered from the flu. Weakness comes in. One day you don't sleep well, you feel heavy-headed. Too much notes you write, you feel blurredness in eyes have come. I think my number will go up after the course. Somebody has experienced, I think, this problem. Huh? This effort is coming in my mind. Huh? बता रहे हैं, you keep on seeing like that. आँख का है सवाल. Then you have to go to optometrist. You have to go to Dilip. Oh, है नहीं, there is nothing. Don't think I am just talking out of my head. It is the fact. But I want what I want. I want the perfect rest, my dear. Perfect rest doesn't exist. No, I never said it doesn't exist. Who said it doesn't exist? It exists. Thank you. My only question is where? You are dialing a wrong number. And you want the person to converse. Rest is not existing. It is existing. Where? Very good question. Very good question. Wonderful. Congratulations. Come. Where? In yourself. In God. Jai Ho. That rest is existing. Of course. Who said it is not existing? In yourself. In God. In your bhajan. In your satsang. That rest is there which you want. Oh, one who is convinced that that rest which I want is in that self, God, satsang, jap, puja, something non-worldly, something not situational, something not dependent on people, etc. Something where my ego is not active and triggered. One who has this conviction, that conviction is called Shreyas. Oh, sounds good. Yes. There is existing. So should we leave the world? Arey nahi ji, don't leave the world. If you leave the world, who will give the food? Don't leave the world. Leave the worldliness. Don't leave the world. Where will you go? Wherever you will go, world will be there. Somebody said, I'll jump out of the earth. It seemed like that. Somebody was there. He said, I will jump out of the earth. Jumping is possible, gravitational is only on the earth. How will you jump out? So you have to live in a situation. You have to live with people. You have to live with success, failure. You may have to live with family also. You may have to live with husband, wife, children, nana, chacha, papa, pupa, kaka, kaki, aja, aji. All you may have to live with. You may have to live with any kind of money matters also. You may walk inside the office with a nice suit and coat also. No problem. Problem is there when you went with the sense this will give me complete rest. Mentally, I will be perfect with this person. This person in my life will give me total rest. This is your mistake, sir. You will get disappointed. But why not? This is the rule I told you. Just now I told you unnecessarily you are asking the same question. But he gave me a lot of sorrow. Nobody gave you sorrow. Don't say he gave you sorrow. Erase this statement from your mind. Then what you expected he did not give you. Say like that. He did not give you sorrow. What you expected, he could not fulfill your expectation. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, you have made a personality with him that he gave me sorrow. You are in love with that sad person with him. You have trained yourself to be sad with him. You have trained yourself to be angry with that person. You have given a mental training that I'll be irritated with that person. Even if he is not there, you are irritated. Some people are there, they are standing only irritates us. They don't do anything. They are just standing quietly, but I get irritated. You have made a personality in you. Like you have made a personality to be very loving with somebody only. You have developed, he's very good. I like him a lot. So nice we are. If we could live together for whole year, not year, till Brahmaji Sirshti till the Kal ends. If we can live together forever, you have trained your mind, or you are lusty with respect to somebody. You have trained a person in you. You have trained a person in you, sir. Don't blame anybody.